This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate.
Hello and welcome to my tutorial. I'm Thomas Edwards and you'll know me as GTA Mado, and I'm using my account Too Much for Kids 1co1uk, and we'll be today creating a file that when renamed becomes a different file altogether, when all the time it's the same file. It will be 3 different files when we've done. Only one face of it will be editable. So these are the programs you'll need: WinRar and Hex Editor Neo, and of course Paint for your image editing so we can view it and view. It's most common with Windows XP and it works certainly. We'll create 2 files. We'll create zip archive and RAR archive. We'll open sample pictures, copy in all 4 images, and then we'll create a new text document, and this is all we need to create our triple-faced file. These are actually quite optional, but you will need at least 1 image, and you need to have something to put in the archive, so we're using these. So we'll put in these images into zip archive, and you can delete all but 1. Then we'll leave the sunset one and press delete. Open the text document, put in hello, this is hidden. Press save, and we can call it hidden.txt. Right, and then drag that in and delete it. So you've got the zip archive, which has the images, and the RAR archive, which has a hidden text document. We now need to open up Text Editor Neo, Hex Editor Neo, and we'll click New, click Insert File, find your files, and we'll be inserting the image first. Open. Go down to the bottom of the image. We'll put in the RAR archive. Remember to leave a good few spaces, this can help. And we'll click Insert Zip Archive. Press Save. Press yes, and we'll save it as triple dot zip. Press save. Close it. We'll now have triple dot zip. Right, open it, and you have the 4 images we put into the zip archive. Close it. Rename it to RAR archive, to a RAR. So press yes, it says RAR. Then you'll see the hidden text file has appeared. And then for our last stint, we'll just rename it to .jpg. Press yes. Preview, it's an image now, it's 3 files in 1. And also, you can edit the zip archive. So if we just rename it to zip, you can put in these 3. So we'll put in sunset, archive corrupt. That's the problem. If we open it and then click repair, press corrupt archive as a RAR, press OK. It will find hidden. It's now open. Found hidden. Rename it to a RAR. Press yes. It's still hidden. And if we put JPEG, it's a corrupt image. So what it's done is when you repair it, it's taken out what part it finds. So if you treat it as a raw, it finds a raw part of it. If you treat it as a zip, it finds a zip part of it. If you open it with paint, and it finds the image part of it. Save as triple. We'll then see it's got triple, and if we go to open it with WinRar, it's not an archive, so we can separate that back into its 3 separate components and edit them, and then you can then put them back into one. This is not easy. You can't do it with Notepad. I've tried, which is a shame. I did actually find this method via the simple method used by combining a image and an archive, so you could hide files in the image. But though I found it would be easier with a Hex Editor, and I found you could actually store up to an unlimited amount of files as long as there were different file types. The only limitations is you can't store a text file in it, else you're going to see all the code and it won't work. So we'll show you. So we'll just go back into here and we'll just extract to here. So we've got the hidden one. And I'll just go up. So we're going to apps, Hex Editor Neo. We'll be very quick. We need to go new file, insert, zip archive, go to the bottom, insert, hidden.txt, save, press yes, just save it as triple.zip, yes. We then go up to back to triple.zip, open it. You got the images, rename it to txt, and you've got all the unwanted code, as you will see. We don't want this. Then the text file is actually there. Right at the bottom. What's cool about them is if you close it, right click and open it with Notepad and go away, press save, it's actually corrupted it, even though it works in different ways. It's very weird, but thanks for watching and I hope you find this useful.
We still talk